Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're just doing it's going to be a shorter video, please some of you, and we are going to be doing a video on this, which is, it comes with 10 rolls of paper. What could it be? It is a mini portable printer. It's a thermal printer, so it's thermal paper. I've had things like the thermal camera. I've got that little thermal sticker maker that I still use. But this is a little bit bigger, as you can tell by the paper. It's more, it's a little bit more usable, picture size. Now the quality still isn't going to be amazing because it's thermal, but I just wanted to see what one of these little printers are actually like. So actually it comes with 11 because it looks like there's already, how do you open it? Push them in or just push them up? Push them up. Right, there's already paper in there. So you get 11 rolls with this one. USB-C power. You've got a power button on top, not a lot else. There really isn't much to this device. Literally, it's paper, power button, that's it. Everything's controlled via the app on the phone. So yeah, you've got a QR code with the instructions to download the app. And you get a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. So yeah, there's really not much to this unit. It is just a square little block. You've got a charging port. You've got where the paper goes in. And you've got a power button. That is literally all you get. So once you've scanned the QR code, or you can search for it. It does tell you Tiny Print is the software that you need. So Tiny Print, let's have a look. I have already downloaded it. But it doesn't mean I've actually put the shortcut where I need it. Okay. So at the moment it is, the ring on the top is flashing green. Okay, so the app itself, you've got a multitude of options. So you can do banner print, sticky notes, materials. I wonder if some of those are sticky pads, because there's two different types of paper here. One is clearly, maybe that's stickers. I don't know what it came with. It just said you could buy it just a printer, or you can get it with 10 bundles, or bundle of 10. So they're stickers. Yeah, because that's on. Oh, okay. So yeah, it comes with, so you've got 5 just thermal papers, and then you've got 5 sticky thermal papers. That's actually pretty cool. So you can do stickers. That might come in handy for the boot sale. Okay, so sticky note, materials, banner print, to-do list, document print web pages. I'm not sure how that's going to come out. Text extraction, label printing, print record, graphic editing, and photo printing. So let's just do photo printing. Okay, so we're going to try and do that's what I mocked up for. I've got a magnetic sign that goes on the side of my van now for when I'm at the boot sale, so people can see, and hopefully I've got my cards, and if they're interested I'll give them out a card. So let's see how it does on this one. So you just press, so that takes you through to the next screen. Once you press next. Now you've got high definition, high speed. You've also got print depths. Now I did mess around with this. It seems to be that the higher the depth, you've got 1 to 7. The more detail. I think it's a little bit darker, but it looks more detailed. So we're going to go with what is the basic print depth 4. Okay, so we'll hit print. 3, 2, 1, print. And it is immediate. And there you go. Now, is that going to win any awards? No. There you can see. Not amazing, but actually very, very, you can see what it is. Right, so let's try that again, but this time print depth will turn up to 7. So yeah, the print depth is, it seems to be, you can see the one on this side is with the print depth turned up to the maximum 7. You definitely get a darker print and a more detailed print. So I don't know why you just wouldn't do that all the time, because I don't know, maybe certain images that are not so dark, you don't want them like that, I don't know. But it seems to do okay. And let's see how this one comes out, shall we? Now I'm doing the AC Cobra. It was a kit car, but it was a good kit car. So let's see how it comes out. You'll see it before me. Well, that was quick. That ain't bad. You know, you can clearly see what it is. Let's try a sticky one. So then you just drop this in. I'm trying to think which way it went in, that way. There's not even anything. There's literally nothing. It doesn't sort of like go into any kind of bracket or anything to hold it and move it. It just literally sits in there. And then if I close that, that's red. Okay. I broke it. I've killed it. Put the paper out slightly. And then it goes green. Okay, so yeah, you have to put the paper where it can grip it. So let's now try and do a sticky pad. Or a sticky one and see what it comes out like. So you go on sticky note and it comes with these templates that you can use. I'm not sure how this is going to work out, because you click on edit sticky note and you just go to a black page. You can type, you can do your writing. Then go to print. Now I can't see. No, I'm going to print it. But I can't see on that preview my writing that I've just wrote. There's no writing. It's just printed. I'm not even sure if that is a cat. I'm not sure what the fuck that's meant to be. But anyway, yeah, it's just printed the outline of the sticky note, but it's not printed. Okay, well, clearly that doesn't work very well, does it? To-do list. So again, if you click on to-do list, it brings up some preset templates that you can use. So let's try that one. See, now this one is letting me type straight away on the actual image. To-do list. Must buy sugar. Actually, is there anything I didn't buy? Oh, coffee pods. Must buy coffee pods. Print. Print. Must buy coffee pods. I've just realised I've still got sticky paper in there. Wasted sticky paper. It's data sent 99%, 100%. But you can see you can print documents. Now, why would you want to? I'm not sure. Stop whining. It's okay. But you could print labels. You could print receipts, maybe. The to-do list one is pretty good. I like that. The to-do list. You know, if it's something that you really need to do, you want to remind yourself, or you need to do something daily. You know, maybe you just started exercising or something, and you want to put it on the fridge, or you want a diet. You want to put it on the cupboard. Do not eat these bloody chocolates. Yeah. So yeah, I actually think it's a good little product. What do you think though? Any use for this? Any use for thermal printing? Obviously the downside is they are quite small. But the upside is it's cheap. And it's pretty much instant. You know, whereas an actual printer, you've got to turn it on. It's got, you know, it does its cleaning process and it does everything, you know. Takes a little while, and then you've got the inks that run out constantly. I'm not saying I'd print a document to send off to anybody with this, but for little projects and little things like this, yeah, it's ideal. It's put virtually an instant print. Snap the picture, turn that on, connects, print, done. So yeah, I actually think it's a good product. I think this will be in my, you know, obviously my recommended pile. But what do you think? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's thermal printing is, you know, possibly the way to go? Especially, as I say, for kids that just want to have a bit of fun. And, you know, a lot of the time, the pictures the kids take, they're not the greatest. They can be, but a lot of the time they just take pictures they think are funny. And if they can just print them off and then share them with their friends, not a bad thing really, is it? For virtually a couple of quid. So actually it works out less than what? 50p a roll? Not even 50p a roll. Yeah, I think that's bloody good value for money. But anyway, that does it for this video. Usual, guys, usual. You know by now, but I'm going to say it anyway because I feel I have to. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help. If you've got any comments, if you've got any questions, drop me a comment. I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. Sometimes it takes me a while because, one, I might be asleep if you've commented and it's in the middle of the night in the UK, or two, I might be at work delivering, and if I'm a bit behind schedule, then I can't really stop to reply to comments. But yeah, I will reply as soon as I can. And obviously, if you want to see more stuff coming up, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. But I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go and do my proper job, my main job. And it is getting really busy at the moment, so I'm going to download my manifest and see how many hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of parcels I've got to deliver today. And I will catch you guys again very, very soon in the next one. But for now, guys, bye-bye.